I'm going to try to climb the rope. The most inconvenient thing about today's climb is that I won't make it high enough, so then I have to rappel down from the location I get to, which is actually quite awkward to do, so I won't enjoy this for sure. But unless I get to the branch over there, they will help me, give me some slack so I can remove the micro traction. I'm using also this pulley for the first time. It should work wonderfully. Yeah, I'm gonna put some extra safety here, just in case. Started raining, brilliant. Alright, time to go. Maybe I should leave more slack here. It's gonna be too short. I wanna deal with that. Just gonna use this. That's it. Okay. So now, here I am. I'm gonna get down to business. Like I said, the pulley, I simply pull myself up. Okay, good enough for now. Now I gotta sit again. Okay, excellent so far. Sit again. I've done multitasking here. Okay, again. All right. You should move up. Okay. 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 yeah, so far so good, excellent, much better with a pulley, so easy to pull yourself up like this, but I think I had enough, so I'm just gonna now try to rappel myself down, which is gonna take a while, that's for sure. It's getting dark pretty soon, so I will just show you the methodology I used to climb the rope and then to rappel back down. I never seen anyone using a pulley for this method. The idea is to simply, let me just change my hand here. When you use this pulley, it's easier to pull yourself up, and once then you will sit in your harness pulling weight, so then you can move the T-block upwards, as you see now. Then use two slings here for your foot loops, and you put your feet on those foot loops, and then you can give slack to the pulley here, so you can pull yourself up again, and continue the same way, the T-block and then the micro traction. And at the end, once you reach your goal, let's say you couldn't make it, you make only halfway or whatever. If you go up, yeah, you just come out. Let's say for practice I have to rappel myself down. I just use this system, an 8 to rappel, and basically what you do, once you, of course, you put it through here, and then you block it so you won't slide, so you just pull this through and it's coming on top. I'm not gonna show you right now because I can't. I'm filming with one hand. In conclusion, yes, if you go all the way to the top, which would be the simulation for a crevasse here, it will be definitely doable and quite fast. But if you have to descend, I have Prusik here too to help me out. If you have to descend halfway by rappelling yourself, it's quite tricky, because you have to remove the weight suspended in the air from micro traction and from the T-block, and it's a little bit more complicated, but it can be done. Thanks for watching, guys. Cheers from the Beaumont Park here at the Bow River.